What if genetic diseases could disappear forever? I am the DNA guardian, and I repair the code of life. Every human carries billions of genetic letters. A single mutation can cause diseases passed from generation to generation. Watch these microscopic AI nanobots search for broken genes. This is fictional technology imagined for the future. The damaged code is removed. Healthy DNA is restored. Imagine preventing inheritance before they even begin. The damage-repaired gene could protect generations to come. A future where inherited diseases become history. I don't exist today, but tomorrow is still unwritten. Would you trust a machine to rewrite your DNA? Comment below and subscribe to Beyond Curious Zone for more future technology.